Hello, and welcome to the ACCSP's Assignment Tracking Application video tutorial for field users. The topics in this section include the calendar, FishDump, APAIS Prevals, and the vessel good list pages. The calendar page displays your upcoming site assignments, headboat assignments, and meetings. Daytime site assignments are displayed in green, nighttime assignments in a dark green, headboat assignments in blue, overlap assignments with another FI in red, and meetings in yellow. In the center of the page, you will see the current month and year. To the left are navigation arrows that allow you to see the past and future calendar items. Next to the arrows is the Today button. This returns you to the current date. On the far right are the options to view the calendar in the monthly format or in a list format. This you can choose based on your personal preference. To view expanded assignment information, click on that assignment to open a pop-up window. Useful information will appear, including Site 1 and Site 2, the site group, the site name, and directions to the site. Under the calendar page in the left-hand navigation menu, you will find a submenu for meetings and events. Like the calendar page, this page automatically defaults to the current month. To narrow the results to locate meetings or events, use the filters for begin date and end date. Once found, you can see the event or meeting name, the meeting type, the time slot, meeting details, the location of the meeting, and the contact for that event. The FishDump page contains raw catch data from the APAIS, or the Access Point Angler Intercept Survey, and displays a summary of completed data review actions at the top of the page. State or regional leads with the super role use this page to review and submit change requests each month prior to data submission to NOAA. The APAIS, or the Access Point Angler Intercept Survey, pre-validation page has filters for the wave, year, and week. This page contains a list of all the for-hire vessels selected for pre-validation for the APAIS, all pertinent vessel information for the pre-validations, and the date and results for the completed pre-validations. State or regional leads with the super user role have the ability to edit and clone scheduled pre-validation visits once the collected pre-validation data is received. The good list page houses all the for-hire vessels in your state that are eligible for the for-hire survey in a given wave. Towards the top of the page, you will find filters for year and wave. In the table below, you can easily filter for specific vessels with either their vessel number or vessel name. The information in the good list is populated in the DIA, or the Dockside Interceptor application, and is updated on the first day of a new wave. Therefore, it is crucial that you connect your tablet to Wi-Fi at the start of a new wave to ensure the good list information in the DIA is accurate and to prevent data issues. Additionally, if there is any uncertainty over whether an encountered charter vessel was on the good list, you can reference this page after the assignment upload to ensure that it was.